Join me as I try to master this mouth-watering Singaporean tandoori rice recipe and see if I can make it as delicious as it sounds. Marinate the chicken with tandoori masala and yogurt with ginger garlic paste. Cook veggies with the chicken a little. Tandoori rice, a dish that combines the rich, smoky flavors of tandoori masala, chicken with veggies, rice, and noodles. Achieving the perfect tandoori rice can be a bit tricky. The vibrant colors of the spices and that amazing aroma all come together to make a dish that's irresistibly delicious. Make a tandoori mayo dressing to drizzle. The moment of truth comes when you fluff up the rice gently and reveal its vibrant colors and enticing aroma. If you're a rice lover like me, I'd love to hear about your favorite rice dishes in the comments below. And if you're looking for more culinary inspiration, be sure to check out my other recipes. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today, and I look forward to seeing what you're cooking up.